Narito ang aming official at final list para sa PBA mock draft ng first round ngayong upcoming PBA 50th draft. For the first pick of our PBA mock draft, the Terra Firma Jeff selects Jeyo Chu from Ateneo de Manila University, 6'11", 220 pounds, 24 years old, 5.6 points, 5.4 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.5 steals, 1 block, 48 field goal percentage, 63% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. For the second pick of our PBA mock draft, the Converge Fiverr Extra selects via Phoenix pick Juan Gomez de Llano from University of the Philippines, 6 feet, 163 pounds, 25 years old, 3.2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 1.1 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.4 blocks, 32% 3-point shooter, 55% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages. For the third pick of our PBA mock draft, the Blackwater Bossing selects Will Gozum from College of San Benilde, 6'6", 200 pounds, 24 years old, 5.3 points, 2.5 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.3 blocks, 40% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. For the fourth pick of our PBA mock draft, the Pure Blends Titan Max selects Dalf Panopio from CSU Bakersfield, 6'1", 183 pounds, 25 years old, 14.9 points, 3.7 rebounds, 4.4 assists, 1.8 steals, 0.2 blocks, 38% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 India INBL season averages. For the fifth pick of our PBA mock draft, the NLEX Road Warrior selects Jason Brickman from Long Island University, Brooklyn, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 7.7 points, 3.2 rebounds, 8.2 assists, 1.8 steals, 23% 3-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Taiwan TPBL season averages. For the sixth pick of our PBA mock draft, the Magnolia Hotshot selects Yukien Andrada from San Beda University, 6'6", 210 pounds, 24 years old, 12.3 points, 5.7 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.5 steals, 0.5 blocks, 55 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. For the seventh pick of our PBA mock draft, the Meralco Bolt selects Christopher Miller from Salem International University, 6'4", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 16.3 points, 4.3 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 1.3 steals, 40% 3-point shooter, 91% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Iraq Super League season averages. For the eighth pick of our PBA mock draft, the Phoenix Fuel Master selects via Converge pick Ladis Lepalam from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, 6'9", 220 pounds, 25 years old, 7.9 points, 6.9 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 0.4 steals, 0.5 blocks, 50% 3-point shooter, 64% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. For the ninth pick of our PBA mock draft, the San Miguel Beermen selects Chris Kuhn from Ateneo de Manila University, 6'5", 209 pounds, 23 years old, 7.6 points, 4.2 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 0.5 steals, 33% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his UAAP 87 season averages. For the 10th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Rain or Shine Elasto Painter selects Cole Maisek from University of St. Francis, 6'1", 188 pounds, 29 years old, 10.7 points, 1.7 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 0.3 steals, 44% 3-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his 2019-2020 US NCAA season averages. For the 11th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Barangay Ginebra selects LJ Gonzalez from Far Eastern University, 5'11", 158 pounds, 28 years old, 10.8 points, 5.5 rebounds, 3.6 assists, 2 steals, 0.4 blocks, 31% 3-point shooter, 68% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. For the 12th pick of our PBA mock draft, the Rain or Shine Elasto Painter selects via TNT pick Christian Manaytay from University of Santo Tomas, 6'5", 205 pounds, 25 years old, 7.2 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 0.7 steals, 0.7 blocks, 23% 3-point shooter, 52% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages. Kayo mga kababos, tama ba ang aming mock draft para sa PBA 50th draft? O may iba kayong list? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.